somebody said to me, you don't make any men's jewellery. So I'm going to make a bracelet for a man, a stretchy bracelet, and I'm going to be using non-magnetic hematite beads, like a dark grey. And I've got some wooden, they're like disc beads. It's like they're dyed or coated in something on the outside. Now go ahead and cut about 12 inches. This is over 12 inches, but I would cut 12 inches. And just start threading the beads. I'm actually using 0.6 elastic, which is fine for this. They're not heavy beads at all. So let's thread 6 of these on. Can I just say a big hello to all my new subscribers. I'm not sure if you're here for my journaling videos, my days out videos, making jewellery videos. It is quite a mixed package you get with me. If you're here for my jewellery videos, I hope you're having a lovely day. I do apologise for the buzzing noise. I'm in my craft room and I've got 2 fish tanks. I've turned one off, but one has a frog. Sadly, one passed away. One has an African dwarf frog and a shrimp and shrimpy. Let's put 6 of these hematite beads. I was hoping to get up here much earlier. I'm starting to lose the light, so I hope you'll be able to see it clearly. So we've got 6 wooden beads and we've got 6 non-magnetic hematite beads. Do the same again. If you are new here, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery making supplies. I'll link everything down below for you. So another 6 hematite. So I'm just putting on the last of the hematite beads. I've just edited a video about a vintage garden I went to in Bermondsey on the weekend. I'll link it above if you want to have a look. It's a lovely garden that I love to go to. It's quite secret as well. So here we have the bracelet, and I'm just going to do a simple surgeon's knot. So to do a surgeon's knot, we join it together, we go over once, we go over twice, and then we pull together. We go one the other way. And I tend to do one for luck. Snip that off. You shouldn't need any glue, but if you want to, feel free to add some glue. So there we have our non-hematite bracelet. So there's something for a man that I've made. So I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I have got hundreds of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. And if you can leave a comment down below, it just makes YouTube see the interaction and it shares my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and as always, happy crafting.